In this lecture, you will learn how to increase the letter spacing in PowerPoint. First, let's open a new PowerPoint window and open a blank presentation. Here, you have got two fields. The first one is to add a title. The second one is to add a subtitle. Now let me add a text here. You can see that I have typed "Awesome Headline" as the title for this slide. But to make this title appealing, I wish to add some more space between the letters, such as some more space between A and W and E and so on. To do this, go to Home tab and choose this character spacing icon. And you can make it very tight or normal or loose or even very loose. This type of character spacing doesn't look good with all the fonts, but with some fonts such as Montserrat, which is my favorite font, this character spacing looks very awesome. Let me reduce the size of these characters so that the entire headline appears in a single line. Now let me delete this subtitle part so that you can clearly isolate the heading part with character spacing. So this is how you can add space between characters. In the next lecture, you will learn how to customize a line.